Hey guys, finally he sleeps. Back again with another GearHeads video. Today we're going to take a look at my newest toy here at the shop. We picked up a set of T5 LED integrated lights, shop lights. And okay, so we put these in over at ZZ.Wraps at the shop a couple months ago, and they made a massive difference. They're really cheap for what they are. And so I wanted them here at my house as well because we make a lot of videos here. The Project S10 is being built here. So there's a lot of, it's not a very big garage for what we have, and there's a lot of workout equipment and everything in here. So it's always cramped spaces. So a lot of the videos, we struggle for good lighting, and that is what this is gonna fix. So we're gonna take a look at this. I'll show you what it is. And the link to be able to purchase these is in the description. Far and away, best shop lights we've ever bought and installed. So individually, they are about 4 foot long, and they're real simple. It's just an LED light. It's really lightweight. You can clip them to the wall, clip them to the ceiling, and then they come with all of the additional electrical connections to run them together on one switch, or you can individually set them all up on their own outlet and switch. It comes with all the adapters. There's extensions here so you can extend the cables. 6 different outlets, each have their own control, or you can run them together. And the clips to mount them on your ceiling or the wall. It's all included in this kit. So these are the cords. That's basically just a 3-prong connection that goes in, and then there's a power button on here. So if you want to hook them all up together or run them separately, this is the setup. So let's take a look at how bright they are. Oh, so nice. It's just so light though too. I mean, they weigh nothing. So all it does is just clip in to these little clips here, and they just screw right into the drywall because these are so lightweight. There's no weight. You don't need to find studs or anything. And then we're just connecting the cable into the back, and they run in a series. And to extend it, they have cables with 3 cords coming out, and then you can just extend it and run them around your garage. Really simple. There it is. Lights installed. Easy as can be. Really about an hour and a half in creating all the wiring and putting it out. And what a difference it makes. Definitely recommend them. I'm FinallyHeSleeps. Thanks a lot for hanging out today. As long as you keep watching, I'll keep making videos.
Finally he sleeps, finally he dreams. In a world of games it seems.